If you're experiencing a login failure in Rocket League, particularly the error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing a login failure. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or connecting via a Wi-Fi connection. Step 4. Update the game. Check for any available updates for Rocket League. Keeping the game updated ensures that you have the latest patches and fixes, which can resolve login issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. Good luck and enjoy your time playing Rocket League.